Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome when we live in our dream. Everything is better when we stick together. Side by side, you and I gonna win forever. Let's party forever. We're the same, I'm like you, you're like me. We're all working in harmony.
What is the chain rule?
This is derivative.
Decided.
Stuff with brackets.
Derivatives? I don't even remember this.
No, you do the outside first, then you do the inside.
Do power rule and then you take the derivative of the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't quite remember.
It's
We use Wolfram,
multiplication.
right? We
Yeah.
use Wolfram nowadays. So.
I'm hungover, so I'm not answering these hard questions.
Calculus.
This was all you.
I would say that's more specific gravity.
Something to do with outer space?
Everything that really comes to mind is force of gravity and some combination. I'm not sure how you'd use it.
That's small m times big M times over G.
9.81 meters per second squared.
Like, what force is equivalent to gravity?
The weight of something on a different planet.
Oh, this is
G.
we talked about this one. G.
Big old G.
Mass 1 times mass 2.
Divided by G's.
No, if you have like a ball in oil, and then you have a buoyant force acting up, it's like buoyant minus gravity.
I think I remember some stuff from that magnetism class.
I never passed a physics test.
Definitely something extremely difficult. Something I didn't study.
Yeah.
Much stuff. I know Gauss came up with a lot of crazy stuff involving both physics and math, and he must not have really had a life. So
Come on. Why are you doing this to me?
I didn't do well in physics.
All the charge in a sphere. Something like that.
Flux in equals flux out.
Opposites attract, likes repel.
God, they're slowly coming to me. Is this numerical methods?
No way!
I think it is.
It reloads. No, God.
That's the first time I've ever heard that.
Sam, I never heard of that before.
I believe that's like a phaser from Star Trek.
These seem made up.
Circuit.
Circuits, and it holds charge.
It's a device that'll hold the charge.
Okay, I think I know this one. It's two plates where electrons go from high voltage to low voltage. Is that why it's the hold charge?
I think it has to be in circuits.
Has to be something with circuits.
It's something to do with like.
Sounds like a finger. I don't know.
Like Friends, Langy, airplane.
Oh, it's the part of the plane that was missing when Ross was trying to get to Rachel on the plane.
It's a finger.
Yes, I was gonna say it's from Friends.
Yeah.
I remember hearing him talk about it in circuits.
I don't think we learned this stuff.
Because I couldn't answer any of the previous questions.
And it makes sense, and it's real life. And there's more women, so.
I ask myself that every day.
You do?
I knew Malithi was going into it, and it was the only way I was going to get a degree.
In hindsight, though, I would have probably chosen it just because of the people.
I wanted to question my sanity, so I decided so.
Because I wanted to build a city.
I chose civil because my dad was in general contracting, so I kind of was always into construction, I guess. It's always in my life.
I like dirt.
Nothing moves.
Now I hate structures.
Nothing moves.
Nothing moves. It's easy that way. Everything equals 0.
This is the coolest thing ever.
It's rare you fail a course and find out you actually passed.
It is.
4 months later.
All the way through dynamics class. And
First year, physics 259 midterm.
Yesterday when I was
A couple hours ago.
Real hotshot lecture ever.
I actually did quit engineering once.
Does now count?
After every hatchet exam.
Neil Duncan's fluids final.
I never wanted to quit.
Yeah,
there was
it's-
always dirt.
It was.
It's always there.
I never want to quit civil. It's probably the best decision of my life.
Hanging out in the homeroom.
Yeah, I will say that. Homeroom.
All the friends, yeah, all the activities and stuff.
If I remember the memory, it couldn't have been that good.
I don't know. I feel like I have very good memories of our bridge project in 3rd year. We had like dance parties because I think we were kind of high off the glue that we were supposed to use. But
My fondest memory was back in like thermodynamics. Dr. Moore, whew, that guy's a beauty.
Competition, the casting competition. It was really fun.
Building bridges with David.
I don't know. The group work, the good friends I've made.
you're not going to have everyone just hanging out with you during class and then after class and, commiserating in our misery and happy times together. Not getting any work done in the homeroom.
Yeah, the homeroom, definitely seeing everybody up here whenever you need to. Everybody's working on the same thing, so you're never alone.
Yeah. The people.
Hanging out with friends.
Al Hatchet.
You're going to miss him the most?
Yeah, he's just a wonderful... Don't put the Al Hatchet thing up. It's actually scary.
I say everyday life, kind of like just in the homeroom, where we have all the couches and stuff. All the Asian gang hangs out. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah. These guys.
Civil is like a family. And
Definitely El Hatch.
Assignments.
No.
8 o'clock classes.
Probably not getting involved earlier.
Yeah.
Like in 1st year.
Too much studying.
We're not going to enough events.
That's just because Luna's standing right
there. That's because Luna's right there.
Taking structural minor.
My foolproof plan to get a girl was befriend all the girls in civil instead, and then have a very lonely 5 years.
Friend zone.
Hey, somebody has to kiss Jordan in the Civil Week movie. Ew.
We dropped structures 2 days after the deadline. That's probably our biggest mistake.
That was rough.
No, man, no.
Going into Eng? Is that an answer?
Structure.
I think maybe if I got involved a year earlier, I would have had a bit more opportunity to make a mark.
Do you want me to answer this honestly?
Frustration.
Not doing bike surveys.
I don't have to do bicycle assessments anymore. It's great.
Cycling survey.
Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of the team. Everything is awesome when we're living our dream.
3, 2, 1. Have you heard the news? Everyone's talking. Life is good cause everything's awesome. Lost my job, that's a new opportunity. More free time for my awesome community. I feel more awesome than an awesome possum. Dip my body in chocolate frosting. 3 years later I shot the frosting. Smelling like a blossom, everything is awesome. Stepped in mud, got new brown shoes. Awesome to win and it's awesome to lose. Awesome to lose.